Hi Facebook, I'm Tammy. Today I'm in the home of Tony and Linda White. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about truss and flooring systems. This home, as you can see, has a lot of unique roof lines, a lot of different variations to their truss package. They have dormers, they have vaulted ceilings, they also have attic trusses. And the very nice thing about that is you can send your blueprints right to the truss factory and they will do their own, what you call a takeoff from that. Not only that, but they research to see the town you're building in, what the codes are, what the load requirements are, pitch requirements. There's a lot that goes into getting a truss package made or a flooring package made, because every county, every town has different requirements, and they need to make sure they understand what's required of that package prior to building it. As you can see, there's a dormer in different places like that. Some of them are doubled. I don't know that this is or not. We can't see it because it's all filled with insulation. On the porch, there's like what they call a piggyback truss. It's just a small guy that hooks into the big truss and goes over the porch. So many variations from the outside. If you were to see this, it has such a unique roof line. It's a very attractive roof. The flooring package is also set specific to the size of this home, the weight of this home, and codes for this town or county, however that works in this area. And basically they're a web truss with a certain height depending on what the code requirements are, a spacing and that kind of thing. Everything has a set spacing. Sometimes it's 2-ply, which means 2 put together in certain spots. Like around a cellarway opening like that, they have to be 2 or 3-ply depending on the size and the weight. Just so that the floor stays at the same plane, no sagging, that kind of stuff. And if anything, they probably go over the top just a little bit, just to make sure that everything stays the way it's supposed to over time. They do a very, very good job. They're very detail oriented, they work well with engineers, and there's several companies that do this. Thank you, Facebook.